Welcome to Sandvik's brand new state-of-the-art powder plant. This is where we create the groundbreaking powders that play a vital part in the industrial revolution that is additive manufacturing and have the possibility to completely reinvent the properties and potential of applications and components all the way from Earth to outer space. We don't just create the finest titanium powder. As a matter of fact, we have another hall that's a mirror image of the one you're standing in right now. That's where you'll find our brand new sieving tower for our nickel-based superalloys. Creating powders fit for use in demanding industries is no easy task. You're about to experience the journey our titanium makes in becoming a product that not only aims to satisfy but exceed the expectations of our clients, and from a greater point of view, contribute to the greater good and a better world. Being both lighter and stronger than most other materials used in industrial components today, it is the far more sustainable choice when it comes to reducing emissions, and we also minimize material waste. Sandvik has been mastering the art of powder atomization for more than 40 years, so it's no exaggeration to say the know-how is part of our DNA. While it's not exactly rocket science to our materials experts, the process of transforming solid metal into microscopic grains of spherical perfection is not self-explanatory to us mortals, but this is where it all begins. Inside this chamber, titanium rods are brought to an induction coil, which heats the metal to its melting point. As the rod begins to drip, gas is sprayed at the molten metal, blasting it into an array of titanium droplets. The temperature of the metal drops drastically, and as the droplets cascade toward the bottom of the tower, they solidify. Once coming to rest in an airtight container, they're cool enough not to smush, and ready for the next step on their journey from us to you. Meet Bob, the AGV, here seen transporting the freshly atomized titanium powder in its container toward the next vital step. AGV is short for Automated Guided Vehicle, meaning they are electrically powered robots. As with Bob and his peers, many steps and processes in creating fine metal powder is fully automated. This is a measure taken to ensure our powder doesn't just turn out top of the line in terms of material properties, but is 100% consistent in quality as well. Despite what you may think, we're not watching Bob the AGV about to board a merry-go-round gone astray, but rather inserting the powder container into the blender. Here, the titanium powder is vigorously blended to ensure a completely homogeneous batch. Next up is the sieving tower. The powder is released down a funnel, all the while maintaining the void of oxygen, and ends up in a double-decker sieve. We use high-frequency vibrations to separate the powder grains depending on their size, running from 0 to 500 microns, to allot the optimal fraction for each respective additive manufacturing technology. The sieving tower measures 6 meters high and features dual sieves that generate customer-tailored powder every day. Following yet another automated journey by the gentle forks of Bob, the extremely fine powder, now separated into perfectly homogeneous and size-consistent batches, is stowed into containers that will keep it safe and sound all the way to our clients and their adventures ahead. The making of our titanium and nickel alloy powders is indeed a finely tuned collaboration between man and machine. The cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art machinery enables unprecedented results in terms of consistency, effectiveness, and flow. But all of that generates close to nothing without the careful monitorization and expertise of the Sandvik powder manufacturing team and our materials experts. These are the experts that through hands-on and heart-in each and every batch ensure that the metal powders by Sandvik are ready to see you through whatever challenge you may be facing in your additive manufacturing process. These are the people who leave no stone unturned or detail unnoticed, because perfection doesn't allow a shortcut, and neither do we. And so day by day, they are the ones who are changing the world, one grain at a time.